In this short video, you'll discover the Education to Professional Employment Accelerator Program, a brand new program that helps university degree holders with a passion for AI and data to create their own AI and data growth consultant path based on their university knowledge. Ready for it? Let's start. Within 3 to 6 months, university degree holders are impacted with AI and data knowledge, tools, and workflows in the Graffiland-Lewa platform to turn their academic knowledge into actionable frameworks ready to solve real-world business problems. The Graffiland-Lewa E2PE Accelerator Program is designed to help you achieve the following. 1. Define a tailored AI and data growth consultant path, considering your academic knowledge and professional interests. 2. Quickly and effectively close the necessary AI and data skills gaps with the guidance of experienced AI and data industry professionals. 3. Build an irresistible technical project portfolio by working on impactful AI and data projects. 4. Go from a university degree holder to a job market-ready 6-figure salary AI and data growth consultant. But here's the catch you've been looking for. The program is not for everyone. The Education to Professional Employment E2PE Accelerator Program is exclusive to candidates who meet the following requirements. 1. Have gained industry knowledge either through your university training or professional experience. 2. Have a strong passion to apply AI and data in your industry to solve business problems. We're very keen on who we work with. If you think you qualify and you're ready to take your career to the next level, all you need to do is download the full program prospectus now and stand the chance of being selected for the true professional program you've been looking for. That's it from me. Look forward to talking to you soon.